What's up guys, good morning from Malaysia, and this is my hostel where I will stay for 2 days, and I booked from booking.com and I just paid $10 for 2 days. This is very less expensive. Let's go inside. And there are 3 floors, and first I need to go to the reception so that I can get the key for my room. One of the good thing about booking.com is you don't need to give the prepayment. You can give the payment on the counter when you reach to the hostel or a hotel. Well, now I am outside of the reception hall and it says shoe off please. So I need to remove the shoes, and most of the people follow the rule and I also need to follow this. Just remove the shoes and get inside gently. I got the keys of my floor and I need to follow a few instructions while I'm staying in this hostel, and I will follow. There is a drawing room which has a LED television screen, refrigerator, balcony, computer table, Wi-Fi 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you will find everything in this hostel. Now it's time to go to the room. I got this card, I need to roll over on the machine and the door is open. When you enter into the floor, you will see first clock and the Wi-Fi modem. Well, there are rooms on the left and the right side. Well, it's look like a college hostel. There is a room number 105, 106, it's 107, and my room number is 108. And it says close the door gently. Definitely there is air condition working, so close the door gently, and here is my room. And according to price, I think it's very good. Well, my roommates are from Japan, Italy, Germany and Portugal, so it's again the football team in the room. Now look at this carefully. There are 2 air conditions on the outside of the rooms. One is on the left side and other is on the right side. And each room has an exhaust fan which is playing the important role and providing the air from the air condition. So the concept is very good. In this way you can save the money for a new air condition. Now move on to the washroom department. Washrooms are not as good as compared to the Singapore, but yes, they have all facilities like electric geyser, paper soap and the toilet paper. So all in all, it's good. And keep the door closed because air condition is on the outside. Well, thanks for watching this video. This is the hostel life of Malaysia, and if you like this video, press the thumb button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next Malaysia video. Thank you, God bless you and your family.